Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you how to track Calendly form submissions using Google Tag Manager and using my own custom scripts. So this is the script that we're going to be using in this video. I will link it down in the description box. And with this script you're not just going to be able to track when a submission happens, you will also be able to track all the data that were entered into the form itself. This is an example: email, first name, last name, full name, Q&A, phone number, and time zone, and a bunch of other information. I just want to highlight that this method only works when the Calendly widget is embedded onto a website. So as you can see, this is my own website. This is not really the Calendly website. But yours can be WordPress, can be Webflow, can really be anything, right? I wouldn't say that this script is something new, right? This is already like, this is the script that was used by Analytics Mania from a well-respected data analyst. But this is kind of just an upgrade because with this script it doesn't really allow you to access the individual data that were submitted. And yeah, the only two things that you will need to get started is this script, my script, and you will need this authorization bearer token. And the way to get it is so simple: you just go to Calendly and then to integration and apps, and then you go to API and webhooks, and from here you can generate your own token. This is something that I've already done. As you can see, this is the script, and hold on. So this is the script and this is the authorization. I've stored it in a variable, in a constant variable right here, and this is it right here. So the bearer, and then the code provided by Calendly. As you can see, it's the exact same here. So you always add the bearer at first and then you add the authorization code, right? So let's just go ahead and give this a spin. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on preview mode. And this is our website. Next, test, and we can just put in this is a test. And then if we click on schedule events and we go to Google Tag Manager, you should see that we have a Calendly data received. And again, you can name this event whatever you want. If we click here, we should see that we have the email, we have the first name, last name. I didn't have those on my form, but this is definitely something you can add to yours if you want. I only had the full name, and this is the question that I had in my form. As you can see, you can add yours and it's going to show here regardless. I didn't ask for the phone number, some of you do, so there you have it. And then if UTMs matter to you, I've also added them here. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching my video.